So I think I'd like everyone to give a huge round of applause.
I warmly welcome our own sports minister. We have been doing a number of things. So thank you, sir, for advising us, for guiding us, for leading. Vice President of World Athletics, Mr. Sumariwala, thank you for coming. Thank you for coming to Shillong. I hope you subscribed on all the Instagram posts. So we're very proud to have you here, sir.
And Arjuna awardee, 13 medals and Arjuna awardee. Ms. Deepti Bopaya, Shri Amar Shankar, partner Ernst & Young LLP. Shri Rajiv Seth, strategic sports leader. May they serve as an inspiration.
There were many challenges that were there in front of us. And while we looked at those challenges and difficulties, we also realized that there are opportunities in those challenges. We realized that there were structural challenges and basic aspects of governance, capacity building, a vision, a direction, a goal. And therefore, this entire journey of trying to really restructure and reposition ourselves and take us towards that goal and vision that we had, which we envisioned that it would be in the next maybe 15 years' time, we'll get there. This long journey started for us. And out of the many, many challenges we saw, and the opportunities that came out of those challenges, we realize that the youth of our state is at the center and at the heart of what we want to achieve. So therefore, sports plays a very crucial role for us as a government. And we realized that our decisions cannot and must not be simply based on only one aspect of winning a medal. Vishnay Kurba is here. He is the first one to get the official appointment letter based on our policy that we have created. But it is not that appointment letter alone that can lead us to winning the medals, or in fact taking the sports ecosystem forward. That is only the last point, or one of the final achievements or goals that maybe the sports person may have. But there is a lot of work that needs to go into creating what we're trying to do.